How's it going, guys? I don't know why I'm putting my seatbelt on. So much of a habit, I guess. Which is a good habit to have. What the heck is that noise? Oh, weird noise. Not the engine. That does sound like it. Well, hold tight, I guess. Let me back over. I need to hook the trailer up. Now this thing sounds like it's about to blow up. Andrew, my older brother, is going to get a kayak, and he has a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, it's 4-door. He's gonna get a little kayak mount for it, for the roof, but he doesn't have one today, so we are gonna go pick it up from Dick's Sporting Goods for him. He's coming over here, and then we're gonna go grab it. We're backing over to the trailer. I need to figure out why the heck the engine sounds like that, though. That's a little funny. Double check the oil again, I guess. I'm gonna make sure my PCV valve wasn't leaking or something stupid. I don't know. We'll hook up the trailer and figure out what the heck is going on with this. Might end up getting a new vehicle. Wiggle. So I didn't do a video on it because it was a little on the boring side, I would think, because there's probably thousands of videos to show it. But I put a new wiring harness on here. Because the other one was complete crap. So new wiring harness, new LED lights, all the fun stuff. So let me turn on my lights and y'all get to see what I'm talking about. See that? Oh yeah. Take the plastic off. Ding dong. It's one way to keep them new. Keep the plastic on them their whole life. Completely forgot about that. But yeah, my only issue is my license plate's on the ramp, and I have to take the ramp off to fit his kayak because it's a 10 or 12 foot kayak. This trailer's only 8 feet. So I'm hoping we can stick the nose in here through this gap if it's that narrow, just out the back. Otherwise we're going to have to lay it on the top and out the back. So I need to cut this off. And I might as well shut the car off because I want to check the oil, figure out what the heck this thing's doing. I like this car, but this thing doesn't even have 50,000 miles on it yet. It's got me worried. It might not make it. There's Andrew there. So I gotta take this ramp off. All right, so we made it to Andrew's house. It was up in Smithville.
Hey.
Andrew. And he got this nice 12-foot Lifetime kayak. It was interesting getting it to the store and everything. So this one retails for $649. It's the Teton Pro 116 angler. It's pretty comfortable. Surprisingly, I fit in it fairly well for being 6'6". Looking at them online is a whole lot different than seeing them in person, because this one looked gigantic in the store. But there's definitely no way I can ever fit in a 10-foot by sitting in this one. It's kind of cool. He's telling me this is a little 1/4-inch thread for a GoPro mount. Should be kind of cool. Overall, it looks pretty nice. I'm curious to see how it does in the water. And you said you can stand up in this one, so that should be entertaining to watch. But one kind of flaw I see with this brand, it's not really a flaw with the kayak itself, just how they manufacture them, is he's tilting it up. We heard something in the bottom of it, and I can show you guys all the shavings when they like cut out all the attachments and everything, all the mounting points, and left all the shavings in here, and then the little hole saw plugs. They just left all the debris in there. It's kind of strange, but you can easily shop back that out and be good to go. I'm not gonna hurt myself again. But yeah, overall it looks pretty good. Still looking into what kind of paddle and everything to get. And as of right now, these are pretty hard to find, especially 12 foots. Kind of surprised this one was actually in stock. But yeah, let you know, maybe we'll, in your first kayak adventure, I'll send you out with a GoPro and see how you like it.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll have one by then. Definitely makes me want to get one now, since you have one.
Yeah, uncut straight from the barrel, which means they don't water it down at all once they take it out of the barrel. So this tastes
Exactly how it comes out.
that comes out of the barrel, yeah.
Yeah, I don't remember which one I had. I thought I had a picture of it, I guess not.
I'm getting old wood.
There you go. I gotta try it.
It smells like a chest and like an old wooden chest in an attic.
The other one I want to try, there's a couple more. One of them was, they have a barrel proof, either barrel proof or a heavy duty larceny that we don't get here.
That has a lot of flavor compared to the other ones.
Yeah.
That's the thing, is like, that was Steak Junior, that's what got me going. And then, of course, I had to put some ice in it.
Yeah.
But just the flavor and the color.
And this, because there's a lot of flavor in it, it holds up to, and it's a high proof alcohol.
Holds up to the ice better.
Holds up to the ice better. And that's where Elijah Craig, I can do ice in the summertime. It's hot.
Yeah.
Man,
That's pretty good.
it lights up the tongue.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to put a little water on it, maybe. No, or I think I'll put an ice cube. Cool it down. Woo! Man, Phil's going, wow.
After Andrew got a kayak, I definitely want to get one. That way I can go out there with him. hopefully before he goes out. That way I can kind of see his first impressions on that kayak. But let you guys know. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.